Hello, and welcome to the unboxing and visual user manual for the bopster S11X. In this video, I'll be going through each item you can expect to find in the box, walk you through the fiddly assembly bits, show you how to seamlessly fold and unfold the scooter, and last but not least, my personal favourite, some action shots of the scooter in motion. The first item is of course the scooter. It comes in the box cosy and folded between 3 bits of styrofoam to ensure the frame arrives undamaged. Next in we have our 2 rubber gripped handlebars, nice, weighty and vital. With the handlebars come 2 anti-loose gaskets, small but mighty ingredients to our scooter electric. Heads or tails? Here we have the trusted scooter bell, a true companion to the electric motorist. Coming in hot, we have the wrenches. First we have the open-ended followed by the hexagonal. Make sure to keep these in a safe place, as you never know when you might need to tighten. Another item to keep handy is the external inflation nozzle. It's vital to make sure your tyres are well pressurised before every single ride. And last but certainly not least, we have the AC line followed by the adapter for charging the electric scooter. It only takes 4 hours to get your battery fully charged until you're ready to take on the world. One full charge will get you between 15 to 22 kilometers travel distance. There we have the contents of the box. On to the assembly. Okay, we're starting with the bell. With a small Phillips screwdriver, loosen the screws on the bell in a counterclockwise motion. You then want to put the bell on the left of the pole, tightening the screws and having it facing upwards. For the brake handle, grab your hexagonal wrench and place the handle on the right hand side of the horizontal tube, adjusting it to your most comfortable angle. With the wrench, make sure to tighten it as much as possible. We finally have our handles. Make sure you put the left and the right handles on the correct sides. Fortunately, they're each marked with an L and an R at the end of each one. Putting the anti-loose gaskets between the handles and the scooter before you attach, you then twist each handle in the same direction towards yourself, like so. To turn the scooter on, just simply press down the power button for 2 seconds, and there we have your electric scooter handlebar rig ready to rock and roll. The red lever to your left is your electrical brake, and the lever to your right is your throttle. The lovely spring mechanism makes the scooter super easy to use. Pressing the button to the right of your power button marked M will change your speed mode. You have 3 modes for 3 different maximum speeds. Mode 1 will get you to 10 km per hour, Mode 2 will get you to 15, and Mode 3 will get you to 20. To fold the foldable electric scooter, you want to lift the latch up with your right index finger like so. You then want to lift the buckle outwards with your thumb, allowing the pole to fold on over. Once it's down, push down the back fender and place the folding hook into it so that it locks. To fold back up again, just push down the back fender with your right hand and lift up the main pole with your left. Once upright, just lock it in position using the buckle and you're all set to go. To charge your eco-friendly machine, just place the AC into a small port at the front left-hand side of the vehicle. It has a rubberized weather seal, so be sure to take that out before you do. If you do experience any issues with the Bopster e-scooter setup, then please contact our customer care team at info@bopster.eu.